Why does creating a website have to be so complicated? This very question led us to develop Now. Our goal has always been to create a website builder that is truly simple to use. A builder that feels intuitive, whether you're running a food truck, building houses, or selling your time as a consultant. We wanted managing a website to be simple as using social media. By combining our experience with the newest technology, we made sure you don't have to worry about coding. Our AI site builder prepares everything for you in minutes. But based on user feedback, we learned that you want to have full control over your content wherever you like. So, to put you back in the driver's seat, we decided to redesign Now.
Our philosophy behind the new design is guided by two principles. One, simplicity is key. While many website builders out there tend to make their user interface more and more busy, we did the opposite. We consciously decided to only present the user with the very essentials in the designer. The rest, we moved to the settings. 2. Contemporary look rooted in small business life. We wanted to create a design that immediately would resonate with small and solo businesses. The new visuals show everyday business life in vivid colors and with style.
The first and the biggest improvement we made in Now was a completely reimagined content editor. In the old editor, we separated the content editing from the design. It made it easy to manage content on your smartphone, but we learned that people care more about seeing the outcome as they type.
In the new editor, you immediately see all the changes you apply. It makes it easier to adapt a headline, paragraph of content, or pick the right image for a web page. What you see is what you get.
The second change we made was a redesign of the entire website creation process. In the old version, we offered a more generic look without any visuals. It was simple, but plain.
Our new creation process is much more user-friendly and engaging. You can easily customize your website and see the results instantly. Your website should reflect your business with content that truly conveys your message to customers.
The most interesting part of working on the new version of Now was being able to work with the web APIs and data structures and algorithms to allow users to see the changes they are making with pretty much no latency at all.
One of the biggest challenges in developing the new version was creating a modern, appealing look while also meeting with high SEO standards.
With the new version of Now, users can see the changes they are doing in real time. They don't have to click through menus and then click back to see what they have changed. They don't have to publish changes to see what actually changed, but they can preview it before publishing them.
We build Now with our users in mind, and we are always listening to your feedback. We're committed to keeping control in your hands, while ensuring everything stays as simple as possible. In the future, we'll give you the option to take full control over SEO and site structure, whenever you like. Of course, we will still make sure that the website is optimized from the very start. Finally, we are not just evolving Now as the website builder. Our main goal is to create a tool that truly adds value and supports your business. After all, a great website is one that brings in customers. Thanks, and see you soon.